I'm getting ready. Okay, hey y'all. I'm gonna get ready with me. So you can watch. I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. I guess. So shit. Stop. Ignore my freaking ass. Let me see ass room. It's like, let me see its frick. I don't know where I put my shirts because I had like Grwm, but all I have now is just like spray in it. Like, so I'm gonna put some cream on. This is from Shine Bright Body Butter, but I'm putting it on my face because I don't care. This probably won't be updated until like later. I do have to edit it. It's amazing. I've been in this and it's like, I think almost 9 o'clock. Oh no, it's after 9. I've been wearing this outfit since like, I think, since I fell asleep last night. So we're just gonna rub this in. So just like, I have school on Monday, but I'm technically expelled. Well, I have a choice to expel myself or continue going. But I don't know yet. I still got like 4 weeks to school, so yeah. And for example, me and Joshua dated like, not yesterday, but I think it was Wednesday we started dating. Oh no, it was Thursday we started dating. Today's Saturday. And we broke up like 2 hours, like around 5-ish we broke up. But I have a girlfriend. Yep. Y'all are gonna be shocked. Not really much people know. But yeah. With my girlfriend have been dating since like Thursday, I believe. And it's like Saturday, so we've been dating for like 2 days. Very surprised. Because normally when I have a girlfriend, I mean, the girl don't last. We like last like maybe 1 day and a half, like 1 day and like 12 hours. Then we break up. But yeah, my friend Chloe, aka Crystal, aka Ivy, is okay with it. She goes to the same school as me. She got in trouble too. She's doing some jobs with me too. So yeah. She came to my house and yesterday she got in trouble because she's a boarder. But literally, that sounds fucked up if you like force someone to go back to school, even if they don't want to go back. Cause like slay. Right now I'm just like curling my lashes. Ignore what the frick that is on my face, like right there. I think it's like a, I don't know. Slay. Just slay, bruh. I'm gonna put some spray on. Cause like, I'm wearing a top. I don't know what to wear. Cause like, there's nothing really to wear. And there's no point in me getting something on because I'm not going out today. staying home all day. So, yeah, we love that. Huh? What? What is? What is? Yeah, I know. Yeah, and I can see it. I mean, it's not far away. Indeed. So, yeah, it's about to rain. We love that. We live just rainy days. Since it's like raining, I'm gonna be in my room like all day. Cause like I never go outside when it's raining. I barely go outside either way. So yeah, look at the sky. So I'm pretty sure there's gonna be thunderstorms. I don't know. The last time we had thunderstorms was like I think May, and it's like we're in like November. I think November. It's like November 12th or 13th. I don't know. I just like literally just started recording on my mum's phone. But shh, do not tell my mother. My mum will kick my ass if she finds out. I can't like really change my outfit, my pants. But yeah. Okay, I'm wearing a top. I'll quickly change, so see you in a bit. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, I just put the top on. I can't believe I'm wearing a jersey, but yeah. I have no idea what to do. So my friend yesterday, I was hanging out with him. Well, from my class. We were hanging and he's got like symptoms for COVID-19. So I have to take like 2 tests and these are the results. Like, they're both negative. Okay, so the rain's right here. We love that. See? Y'all can see that. Y'all can see that, right? Just like drops. Like it's freaking actually raining. Amazing. We love that. Like you can actually see a bit of... That's actually like light grey. But it's like slowly sharp. So today's Saturday. And I don't know what I'm going to be doing. Normally on Saturdays I just chill. I chill like basically every day. Including like Monday and every day I have school. But yeah. I recently like changed my... I did like changed a bit of my YouTube channel. Like if you guys go... Like if you're on my account right now. Ignore what's on my arm. Like I'm just going to pretend it is not on there. No one better like copyright this video because like my last video I was like on my Chromebook just checking like all the things that have been copyrighted and there's like 2 things that are copyrighted and that was from Russia. So whoever's out there from Russia and watching my videos, please do not do that. It's very annoying. I work hard on my videos. Work hard. That just sounds wrong, bro. But yeah, I can't edit it on my like on the Chromebook because slay. Look, it's literally pissing down right now. Not like actually, but you know what I mean. So on the bruh, I swear the Wi-Fi is gonna play out. So on the 25th, in like 13 days, we have to have like a thing, and I think it's next Wednesday, we're having this like film festival, and we're supposed to be like showing interviews and stuff. But yeah.
Hello.
Mum, did you know I'm gonna have to go to school next Wednesday for the film festival from 6 to 8? You're gonna have to take me because the school said that everyone has to go. Yes.
Oh.
And I have to figure out what I'm gonna do. And if I do something, it's going to take like forever. Would I be able to do an interview on you for school? Would I be able to do an interview on you for school and then give it to my teacher before Monday? Could I? Could I? But could I? It's still raining. I want to check the weather. It's 18 degrees.
Oh, it's warm. It's not cold.
At 12 p.m. it's going to be cloudy. At 3 p.m. it's going to be mostly cloudy. 6 p.m. mostly cloudy. 9 p.m. mostly cloudy. Showers at 12 a.m. Showers at 3 a.m. Showers at 6 a.m. Monday, partly cloudy. This weather's going to be here till Monday, 6 p.m. So, like, 2 days. We're going to have this weather. He hasn't messaged me, Mum. He's not even online. Neither is my girlfriend. She last was online at, like, 7:20 something. So like 2 hours ago. Almost 3. But yeah, these are like negatives. See? There's only one line of both of them. We love that. Yeah, he said he's got he took both vaccinations. He woke up at 3 a.m. having a headache. No. I was asleep. I woke up at 6, bro. How can I wake him up?
You never know.
Oi. Love that.